How to fix login errors on Acorns app. If you want to fix the login errors that you are facing on the Acorns app, it is very simple to fix it. First of all, we want to make sure it's not the issue with the internet connection. So if you have those, make sure to go ahead and check it. Then you want to open up your respective app store. Simply search for the Acorns application and check if it has any sort of update. If it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. Once you've done that as well, the next thing you want to do is simply open settings, go to the general option. Then from here you can simply go to iPhone storage. Then from iPhone storage you can simply go to the Acorns option. So you can go to the show all button, and then here you can simply search for Acorns, and then you can try to offload the app and reinstall the app. For Android users, you want to try to clear the data and see if that actually helps you solve the problem. If it doesn't, last but not the least, the issue could be with your login details. So you want to make sure to enter your email and your password correctly. If you forgot the password, you can tap the reset password button to reset your password as well. So hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.